Welcome to Telematics Canada. Our Series TVB is a premium-grade canvas, just waiting for your next masterpiece to be unveiled to the public. This is a 16:9 aspect ratio panel, measuring 600 by 337, which means that any equal combination of columns and rows will maintain that ratio. In a 1.25 pixel, the TVB can create a fantastic 8K display with a grid of just 16 by 16 panels. As you can see from these factory videos, the TVB can be configured as a perfectly flat or gently curved display for most any indoor installation. All Desay panels are built to impress and built to last. Desay supports their products with a comprehensive 2-year factory warranty, which may be extended to 5 years for a modest surcharge. Give us a call at your convenience, and let's spend some time reviewing your project. We can offer some basic quotes to start and go from there.